We are Sinomac, a Fortune Global 500 company and a central enterprise of China. With 60 years of manufacturing experience, we have accumulated significant advantages in high-power construction machinery. Today, we proudly introduce our latest product, the 600 horsepower bulldozer. It boasts a powerful 612 horsepower engine, a 70-ton operating weight, and core hydraulic components from Parker. It features a 360-degree panoramic view, flexible pilot control, excellent maneuverability, and a luxurious cab that ensures driver comfort. The power system is equipped with a Cummins electronic control engine, meeting Euro 3 emission standards, with an air-to-air intercooler, offering strong power and low fuel consumption. Core hydraulic components, control handles, controllers, pipelines are selected from top international brands like Parker, Bosch Rexroth, Permco, and Linde. The transmission system uses a modular structure with planetary reduction, single-handle travel control, an undercarriage suspension system to reduce machine vibration, and a seat integrated with an air suspension system, greatly enhancing driving comfort. The cylinder supports are of welded structure, increasing the strength of the engine cover, with high-strength wear-resistant cutting edges and blades, and fully protected pedal railings. Our high-power products, including excavators, motor graders, wheel bulldozers, and crawler bulldozers, are sold worldwide and have extensive customer cases in coal mines, gold mines, iron mines, etc. We provide complete solutions to cope with various complex climates and working conditions globally. Specially developed for high-altitude areas, the German Webasto heater and integrated seat heating significantly enhance the machine's adaptability to extremely cold environments. We bring advanced technology to this machine, with a high-power Cummins electronic control engine that improves work efficiency. The high-capacity intelligent fan not only provides excellent cooling but can also reverse for dust removal. It is huge but flexible. The working device operation adopts pilot control technology, with single-handle speed and direction control, quickly and efficiently achieving speed and direction control. The 360-degree panoramic monitoring system provides the driver with a full 360-degree view, eliminating any blind spots. The K-type floating undercarriage suspension system and segmented sealed lubricated tracks reduce machine vibration and extend the walking system's service life. This steel giant is reliable, with a box-type structure at the front frame, cast steel balance beam, open rear axle, and a bulldozer blade supported by 5 cast steel brackets. In terms of maintenance, the Lincoln centralized lubrication system from the USA greatly enhances maintenance convenience, effectively ensuring the machine's service life. The core components of the whole machine adopt a modular design, making disassembly and maintenance easy. The body is also equipped with an automatic ripper pin puller. Sinomac products come with a 1-year and 3 months warranty, supported by a global parts service network and an experienced team of overseas service engineers, ensuring worry-free after-sales service. Equip the world, create value, and we look forward to cooperating with you.